Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time.
Hindi pa ako nag-almusal. It's 10:55 kasi...
Mama, this that?
Which one? Lemon juice? Warm lemon juice. What's this? Dahil pinupush na ni Abhi yung kanyang pag-gym, balik gym na siya, and yung kanyang diet. Kahapon lang siya hindi nakapag-diet dahil nga nagbiyahe kami papuntang Mangalore. So, syempre, pagod sa biyahe. Pero nagsisimula na talaga siya na bumalik sa kanyang intermittent fasting ulit. So, ipupush ko din yung aking pag-lose ng aking belly fat. So, hindi ako mag-almusal. Ano lang, itatry ko lunch and dinner. Then, every morning naman, nag-warm lemon water ako. Ito. So, hopefully, ma-push ko yung aking goal. Aking fitness goal. Sasabayan ko si Abhi. Nakisali din siya uminom sa aking juice. After this,
Mommy,
ha?
I want to see Papi to basketball.
Okay, basketball like yesterday.
Yes.
Gusto niya sanang bumili ng basketball doon sa Decathlon kahapon. Kaya lang, chinek namin online. Ganon kami, check muna sa online kung saan mas mura. So, hindi kami bumili kahapon kasi mas mura sa online. Merong tag 200 lang, 300. So, doon 699, di ba? Mas malaking tipid kapag online kami bibili. Wait, cactus! Want to eat that?
Yes.
Wait. That's Atis.
Atis,
Yeah.
I like it too.
Oh, that's bird. Yung handa ko sa aming lunch, guys, is yung nabili namin na isda kahapon. Isda para kay Abhi, para sa amin ni Mishka, yung squid. Adobohin natin ito. Ito yung kanyang octopus. Ito yung hinihingi niyang octopus. Guys, sobrang mura talaga dun sa Mangalore. Kung pwede lang na araw-araw kami dun pumunta sa Mangalore kasi sobrang mura ng isda. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo, 4 na oras. Okay sana siya. 4 na oras. Mas malayo nga pag pumunta kami ng Bangalore. Kaya lang, yung daan ba, pa-zigzag-zigzag. So, yun yung nakakahilo. Sumasama yung pakiramdam ko. Yung kaibahan lang, doon sa Mangalore, pag bibili ka ng seafood, hindi na nila nililinis. Unlike dito sa Madikeri, sa Bangalore, and sa Patna, pag bibili ka, nililinis na nila. So, ikaw na lang yung maghugas and pagluluto na lang yung problema mo. Parang kagaya nung din sa atin sa Pilipinas, so, ikaw na bahala maglinis. Mimi, look at your octopus. So, come here. I'll show you how octopus looks like. Come here. Like this. This is the legs of the octopus, see? Can you see? This is legs of the octopus. See?
Yes, I like it.
You like it? Are you excited to eat octopus? Yes. Okay, Mommy will put this. Parang may kinukuha na something dito. Yung mata. Or, hindi ko alam kung ano yung kinukuha. Ah, ito pala. Ito. Yung matigas. Yan. Ito. Yung isda na to, 200 yung kilo dun sa Mangalore, diba? Dito sa Madikeri, parang 350 ata yung tinda nila dito. Kasi nga, binabiyahe pa, ganun. Hindi ko dinamihan talaga kasi yun yung inaalala ko, baka hindi na siya maganda pagdating namin dito sa Madikeri kasi 4 na oras yung biyahe. Nag-search pa ako, guys, kung paano linisin ito. Ready na yung aking mga ingredients and nahugasan ko na din itong aking pusit. Let's start cooking. Yung anak ko kasi ay excited na sa kanyang octopus.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much. A little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you, nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that.
Finally, luto na yung octopus ni Mishka. Gusto ko na madami yung sabaw kasi gusto ko na marami akong nalalagay sa aking rice. So, marami yung sabaw natin.
I love that okay.
Daddy will come in a while.
In that glass,
Yeah, for lunch.
that is so hard.
Yes, baby. Oh, punong-puno. Punong-puno yung aming bowl. Are you ready to eat?
Yes!
Keep it here.
No, that. No, that. I have to put my face.
Octopus is your favorite. Ah. Use this one. Use your fork na. Because it's hot. Wow. It's hot pa. Blow first. Tell them what you are eating, Kami.
Octopus and die.
Octopus and rice. I'll get my food too. Yummy! Kain tayo, guys.
Tatikayo tayo.
Kain tayo.
Tatikayo.
Yung kay Abhi na fish, mamaya ko na ihahanda. Kasi mamaya pa naman yung uuwi. 12:40 pa lang naman. And usually yung uwi niya is alas 2. Kami muna ni Mishka yung kakain. Is it yummy?
I love your food.
Thank you. Like our octopus. Keep it tight.
This is an octopus eye.
Is it? You know that is octopus eye?
Yes.
I'll give you some. This one, I'll give you the octopus legs. You want the legs? Bite, small bite. Yeah, finish that first. Because it's chewy.
Truly, what is truly?
Like it's like bubble gum. You have to chew it properly. Sarap. Kain tayo, guys.
Tatikayo tayo.
Kain tayo.
Tatikayo.
Ito ata yung first time na nakabili ako ng pusit dito sa India. Kung hindi dahil kay Mishka, hindi siya nagsasabi na, Mommy, I want to eat octopus. Hindi niya siguro ako makakabili nito.
What's here?
Mm. Here's your spoon.
No. Mommy, why is
You know, before we are making this a ring. Yeah, it's a ring. Eat that. Small bite.
is that gum?
Yeah. Use your spoon na. This one, Oh,
Sorry. I do eat my stick, mommy.
it's okay, baby. Use your spoon, Balalav.
Almost morning, mommy.
More ring. The small one you can have.
Okay. Almost morning.
Eat that first. And chew it properly.
I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine.
So, ito naman yung para kay Abby, guys. Dalawa lang yung ihanda ko muna para sa kanya. Kinuha ko na yung ulo kasi hindi naman siya kumakain ng ulo. Ayaw niya na may ulo kapag bumibili kami ng isda. For marination ng kanyang isda, salt, ginger garlic paste, and ito, fish fry masala. Look at our living area. Ito palagi yung ganap dito kasi para hindi mo bored si Mishka ba, hinahayaan ko na lang na magulo dyan, guys. Kasi anytime na gusto niyang maglaro, andyan lang yung kanyang mga laruan. Minsan, pabalik-balik siya doon sa kwarto or dito sa living area. Pero madalas dito kasi dito siya nanonood ng TV. So, ganito muna yung ganap niya. Tapos yung gitara ni Abhi, nilagay lang namin dyan. Kasi si Mishka, mahilig siya ngayon kumanta-kanta. Magawa siya ng kanyang music, tapos kumakanta-kanta. So para maengganyo siya. Para ma-practice din siya at a very young age na if gusto niyang mag-play ng guitar, so andyan yung guitar para sa kanya all the time. Yung gagawin ko is kukunin ko lahat ng mga picture frames namin, yung mga photo sa aming frames. Nagmo-moist talaga siya. Ayan oh, basa. So, kukunin ko to, tas i-blower, tas itatago ko na. If in case ma-save pa man yung mga pictures na to, then okay. Pero, kukunin ko na lahat ng mga pictures dito. Kahit itong malaki naming family photo, tingnan nyo. Nagsisimula na siya. Sayang. So, next time, kailangan kong magpa-print ulit ng family photo na to kasi ito yung isa sa paborito kong family photo namin eh. Siguro ito lang yung isa, yung okay pa siya kasi yung sa likod niya parang sealed talaga. So ito kasi, tapos yung iba na yan is yung carton lang ba yung sa likod niya. Yung paglagay talaga ng picture, yung una kong ginawa nung dumating kami dito sa Madikeri kasi sabi ko, yung bahay, pag merong picture, family photo, parang feel mo na bahay siya. Pero yun pala, yung ending, hindi maganda. Or siguro mas maganda yung laminated na lang na photo. Where should I keep your balloon? Should I throw this? No? So where do we keep this? Iniisip ko kung kukunin ko na yung mga picture dyan. Ano yung ilalagay ko para hindi naman ganun ka plain and very simple yung ating wall. Oh no! Tingnan niyo guys kung gaano kalala. Look! Moves, we have to throw this na. Sayang naman.
Why are you trying?
Because it's not good, love. Oh. Another one. Hindi pala advisable yung magkaroon ka ng picture frame.
That is good, Daddy. I don't want.
Oh, okay. Hindi siya advisable na mag-picture frame sa ganitong mga lugar. Marami yung nagsasabi na yung Madikeri ay parang Baguio sa atin. Kaya lang hindi pa ako nakapunta sa Baguio guys. So hindi ko talaga makapag-agree if parang Baguio ba talaga, ganon. So I'm not sure if sa Baguio din ba ganito yung ano nila, yung life nila. Huwag ka na lang mag-picture frame. Kasi hindi din naman siya magtatagal. Okay. Yung frame niya, okay naman siguro. Kaya lang, ito, yung back cover, kailangan ko siguro siyang itapon. Are you going to play or you're going to clean up your toys? Clean up! Favorite niya yung plastic bag na to kasi color pink. Ayaw niyang itapon. Gusto niyang lagyan ng kanyang mga toys. Clean up, clean up. It's time to clean up. Good job, Mimi. Lately ko lang kasi siya na-notice na nagmo-moist din yung mga pictures pala. Kasi hindi nga kami palagi tumatambay dito sa sa living area. Doon kami palagi sa kusina or sa kwarto. So hindi ko talaga siya na-notice nung nagsisimula siyang mag-moist. Then nung na-notice ko siya, sabi ko, kailangan ko maglaan ng time talaga.
I don't put things from paper bag.
Sayang yung aming mga photo. Ay, ito, buti hindi siya nag-moist talaga. Itong dalawa lang. Oh, no! Basa talaga siya. I think ito. Itatago ko lang yung frame. Are you done cleaning up? Naka isang plastic bag na siya. Good job, Mimi. And ito yung aming malaking family photo. Tingnan nyo. Kasi yung carton lang yung material niya ba. So, yan. Basa. Yung gilid lang naman yung basa. So, baka mas safe pa to. Check ko nga ito. Ay, ganun din siya sa likod. Pero hindi siya ganun kalala. Lalagyan ko ng tape ito para hindi mag-moist yung back cover niya. Kasi pina-frame talaga to namin eh. So, naka-tape siya dyan.
Long one, two.
Okay. Nakapunan na kami. Medyo early pa. 6:53. Kasi gutom na yung aking anak. And yung ulam namin, same pa din guys. Yung pusit pa din. Adobong pusit. Yung octopus ni Mishka. And sa Api, kaninang lunch, hindi siya umuwi. So, yung niluto ko para sa kanya na
This is
fried fish. Ayun na yung kanyang hapunan. Kami na Mishka pusit. That is Mishka.
my two dirty. Keep it hand.
What?
Keep it hand.
Your hair clips.
No, that's Caesar.
It's beautiful.
It seems like Lizzie's daddy.
Yes, that.
The different as the baby. No, that is not different as the baby. Maybe it just this.
This one. I like this one. This is your mommy's clip. Wait, I'll do that.
I was
maybe,
do
please.
that. Daddy, I was
This one.
that it's same. No, that it's same. I was this.
It's broken, baby. You got broken.
Mommy.
Okay, I'll fix it.
Daddy, they want it for my flyer. Daddy, see that. Mommy, see that one.
Wow, so
No, this is broken.
look at here. You're so pretty, baby. Wow, you look like a bouquet of flowers. That is so pretty. Huh? This is the hairstylist, eh. So pretty na, diba? How many hair clips did you put in your hair?
Free. Hello, my name is Miska. Today is my birthday.
It's not your birthday. When is your birthday?
My birthday is February. Today I turning 7.
You were just 3. Today you're turning what?
7. I wrote my Play-Dohs for my friends.
And
God for my friend.
today, how old are you?
3. I don't play funny faces.
You're going to play
But
funny.
do like that.
What are we going to play?
Funny faces.
Funny faces.
Mom.
Okay, it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Complete.
If you watch my video, like my video, bye.